Hello everyone. Today, Samira and I are going to share with you two wonderful women and what they believe about procrastination. We will share our understandings with them and what we can learn and how we can not procrastinate and become better in our own lives.
Hi, everyone. So today we are going to be talking about, first of all, the poll that we ran a few weeks ago. And the results of the poll are out. We're going to be sharing it. The link is also there. You can take a look at the poll. One of the things we realized in our poll is that the maximum number of people seem to overcommit as to the kind of jobs they're going to do and then feel completely overwhelmed. That's the first thing. The second thing which we'd like to actually talk about is a lady called Mel Robbins. She actually has her own YouTube channel and she's addressed procrastination a great deal over the years. She has an amazing system of preventing and overcoming procrastination as well as stress. So Mel Robbins has a very short exercise which she does. And the belief that she has is that when we are procrastinating, it's not so much about sustaining the kind of work that we're doing. It's also about starting up. So what she has suggested is, in order for us to start up and in order for us to get going on anything, all we have to do is we have to just focus, be physically present, and then use the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 rule, which is essentially just say, okay, I commit to doing yoga this morning, for example. And in the morning at 8 o'clock, when my bell goes off or my alarm goes off, all I have to do is I have to think to myself, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I have to push myself to just stand up and be present. So I have tried this and it has really helped. She's also suggested that you can use this when you are in times of high stress. Just breathe through the stress by counting off 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it actually tricks your brain into moving into another direction. So we're going to be sharing the link for Mel Robbins' TED Talk and her YouTube videos. Do take a look and let us know what you think. I hope this helps you.
Thanks, Samira, for sharing that input in terms of managing procrastination and stress. In fact, while doing research for this video, I too came across another youngster called Anuradha Murthy. She also has her own YouTube channel, and she talks about how she learned not to procrastinate using one very simple principle of the Bhagavad Gita. This is something that my mom always told me, and now after hearing it from her, I really think that I should start practicing it. What the Bhagavad Gita says is that do what you want to do and give it your 100% without having any expectation. Do not think about the result. Do not think of the after effects. And that is what would help you give your best. Anuradha has also her own principle of the 5M model, which she has created for herself so that she does not procrastinate. Well, I have learned from her and I have created my own system of not to procrastinate. I write down my to-do tasks and ensure that I accomplish them over the time that I have set to do so. Definitely, learning from Mel Robbins and Anuradha has really helped me.
Thanks so much for that, Surekha. And thank you all for watching our videos. We really do appreciate it. So this concludes our exploration on procrastination and the things that we have done in order to avoid procrastination or beat it. If you do need any help on procrastination, do drop us a line. We'd be happy to help you through it. And I do hope that you'll take the chance to view our other videos on procrastination, and we do hope it helps you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you.